that the MP CM Mohan Yadav has said that liquor, I repeat, liquor will soon be banned in religious cities of Madhya Pradesh. CM Yadav said that the government will take a decision soon over this issue. He further said our government is considering to revise the policy on the religious cities of MP of Madhya Pradesh. Big update coming in right now, viewers. Liquor soon to be banned. CM will be making a decision on this. And it will be banned specifically from what we are learning in the religious sites or the temple towns of Madhya Pradesh. Let's go ahead and play out the big statement which is coming.
ये बजट सत्र का एक तरह से किनारा आया है और ऐसे में हमारी सरकार विचार कर रही है कि हमारे धार्मिक नगरों पर हम अपनी नीति में संशोधन करें और धार्मिक नगरों से शराब की बंदी की तरफ बढ़े। कई साधु संतों ने, कई लोगों ने सुझाव दिए। हमारी सरकार गंभीरता से विचार कर रही है कि हम हर हालत में अपने धार्मिक नगरों पर उनकी सीमा के बाहर ये आबकारी दुकानें चालू करें, बंद करवाएं, ताकि धार्मिक वातावरण को लेकर के जो सब लोगों की शिकायत आती है उस दिशा में हम ठोस कदम कर पाएं। हम गंभीर हैं और बहुत जल्दी इस बारे में कोई निर्णय करेंगे।
And we're cutting across to some big breaking news coming in. Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi has said that the situation along the line of actual control remains stable but sensitive. Now, as both India and China continue to engage in dialogue, the statement has come in from the Army Chief. He even said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently met with Chinese officials discussing key issues, including the situation in Depsang, where both sides have agreed to return to positions that are mutually acceptable. Now, verification of patrolling areas has been carried out by both the nations. However, there is no formal buffer zone and negotiations continue. Listen into that statement coming in.
We want to. So I'll first dwell upon few security issues, and to begin with the northern borders. As you are aware, the situation is sensitive but stable. In October 2024, situation in Depsang and Demchok in eastern Ladakh got resolved. The patrolling to traditional areas in these two subsectors has commenced. Similarly, the traditional grazing has also commenced in these two areas. We shall continue to discuss the effective management of other sensitive areas also along the northern borders. And towards that end, I have authorized all my co-commanders to handle these issues at the ground level with respect to patrolling and grazing, so that the trivial issues can be resolved at the military level itself. Own deployment along LASA is balanced and robust. We are well poised to deal with any situation. A focused capability development for northern borders enabled infusion of niche technology into our war-fighting system and a whole-of-nation approach. We are progressing well. हमारी प्राथमिकता है सभी एजेंसीज की सहभागिता, बॉर्डर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को और मजबूत बनाना है।